Well, again, it looks challenging, especially for, me. Happy Sunday, people. So I could not decide to go with this one, which is Star, and we all know how the Star products went for me, or Color Day, which is this one. I'm not sure. I think let's do the Star. Star, I hope you can redeem yourself, because the last couple of times was an utter disaster. But let's try this one. Okay, so where to start? Okay, let's hope I've got that. Hey, we got it. Okay, so cool. It comes with instructions, and we all know I'm excellent at following instructions. But we'll have a look at that first now. Let's first see what else is in the box. Let me show what the box looks like. So that's the front. And that's the back. Paint your own pouring arts. Paint your own pouring unicorn. Decorate the unicorn with glitter and shell debris. What is a debris? Can anyone explain to me what that is? I'll Google it, it's fine. So what else have we got? Okay, so there's the first section. And that's just a piece of cardboard. Oh, we might use this to mix the paint, I'm not sure. But let's have a look at this. Well, the packaging looks promising so far. You can actually use this afterwards, which I think I will. For like beads and bags of glitter or whatever. So, we've got that, which we'll find out what that is. Looks like glitter rocks or something, and that's definitely glitter. Very nice glitter. It's like a pearly white pink. And these will be all the different paints. I think this is green or turquoise. Got some purple right there. White. And pink, maroon, reddish color. And then of course we have got the pony. Okay, just so you know, if you drop this, it's gonna break. Okay, so let's see how to do a pour painting. Okay guys, so while I try and figure this out, well, again, it looks challenging, especially for, me. I'm gonna go get some cups quick. Okay, I think I feel confident. I think we're gonna take our little unicorn. Again, this cardboard that came inside that box right there, and we're just gonna like mix some paint, pour it over the unicorn. looks kind of cool. Huh. Not too bad. This might actually be a success. Well, it really looks pretty, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of do like it. Okay. Let's add some more red and some more green. Do you think we should like pour this directly on? Yeah, let's do that. Let's pour directly on. Whoops, the unicorn. Whoa. And then a little bit. This side actually looks a lot better than the other side. This looks awesome. I like this side more. You guys have been getting the good side all along. Yeah, now I'm done. You guys know what? We still got the glue and the glitter and stuff. But I'm not gonna wait for this to dry before I put that on. I'm gonna do that now. It looks so pretty, man. So I might end up with a horse, like with all the glitter and what do you call the other stuff? Debris like goes towards the legs. Just hoping it won't happen, but it's possible. Okay, cool. Let's start with glitter first. The glue I'm saving because I don't think there's anything I can use this on when it comes to the unicorn, so I'm going to save that. So here we've got our little unicorn. I went a little bit overboard. I literally used everything, almost everything. It's just the glue that I haven't got a use for. But I literally used everything. Might have ruined it a bit, but you know, it's much easier than some of the other products I did for Superstar. Well, this is by far my favorite. It looks pretty. I'm gonna give you guys a close up. And this will be the end result. Not too bad. I do think we did go a little bit overboard, but look how pretty the paint at the bottom is. That looks so flippin' cool, man. Yeah, I like this. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.